This year, the holidays have been looking very different for so many of us. When schools, stores and community gatherings shut down because of a global pandemic, paper crafters worldwide have been inspiring us with their positivity and cheer. Our Altenew fans have reminded us that there are still ways to connect with our loved ones, even when we are distanced, and they have encouraged us to find a bright side in every situation.
Hi, my name is Nathania Johnson from Philadelphia, and I'm happy to tell you what I've been doing during this pandemic.
Hi, my name is Kathy Fernandez, and I'd like to tell you a little story about what the pandemic has been like.
Since the pandemic happened, I started making cards with all the stash that I have. I put together a spreadsheet of more than 50 of my friends, and I label the cards that I'm doing and send cards out once a week or whenever I get them done.
I've had uninterrupted time with so many of my unopened Altenew products. So I've been having Christmas all by myself, creating, getting tips and techniques, looking at my videos, and I've been able to create my Christmas cards in bulk. Here are 2 samples. They're very simple, but I've gotten them in the mail to all my family and friends that I can't see during this pandemic.
And with this COVID quarantine, stay at home in process, I tell you, it's so nice to have something to look forward to. And that for me is the Altenew card class. The instructors are so nice. They give of themselves and their time and their expertise, and I get to meet ladies from around the world, actually, who love to do the same things that I do.
I got to make 350 handmade cards, no duplicates, because these were for people who, even though I may never meet them, will always be very special to me in their time of need. The one thing that I would like to say is to always remember that it is in the giving that we receive our joy.
We hope that you find the bright side with crafting and create a beautiful, meaningful project today.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!